Hi, we are a group of 3 students in a computer science major. In this video, we are going to present about our graduation project that is entitled Intelligent Garbage Sorting System. Our project tackles the problem of garbage sorting by using sound processing and machine learning techniques. It is based on the fact that objects vibrate with different natural frequency when they are hit, and this is based on the type of the material.
Let us first introduce the problem statement. Garbage recycling is an important business these days. It is beneficial for the environment because it reduces the amount of waste in nature. It also allows reducing the amount of raw material that is being used in order to preserve it for future generations. To contribute in the efforts of garbage recycling, we propose the Intelligent Garbage Sorting System, IGSS. When a waste item is thrown inside the body of an IGSS machine, the object, when it hits a wooden plank inside the system will record the sound produced. IGSS then uses sound processing and machine learning to recognize the material of the waste item as paper, plastic, metal, or glass.
Now we will discuss project scope. The aim of IGSS is to automatically sort a dry garbage at the place where it is refrigerated before being mixed with a dirty unrecyclable waste in landfills. It can be used in many places where dry waste is generated, like in shopping center, college, office, museum, parks, transfer station, and stadium. It is designing to be used with individual person garbage rather than mass waste. IGSS support only dry waste items such as plastic or paper cup, bottles, cans, folds, and package. IGSS does not support a wet waste.
Let us now discuss change and adjustment made since the first abstract. Initially, the idea of waste sorting was first based on the assumption that each material at vibration is characterized by a unique natural frequency. After doing some experiment, we discovered that material vibrate with many natural frequency. So we changed it to working on discrimination material sound based on spectrogram features.
Progress so far. We did literature review about related works, analyzed them to identify best features and design for our system. We identified final detailed requirements in terms of hardware and the processing, initial architecture and design of the system. Currently, we are building a dataset of sounds for different garbage items with different materials. We are also trying to find the best discriminative spectrum-based features between different materials. This task is exclusively done by experimentations. In the same time, we are trying to find and trying Python libraries for sound processing and machine learning and setting up Raspberry Pi model for Python. The next phase will be to implement our system, to test it and to evaluate its performance for both noise-free and noisy environments. Now we will talk about issues that we faced in our project. First, information about natural frequencies of materials like metal, paper, plastic, or glass was not available. We asked some professors at Science College, but we did not get useful information. We solved this issue by measuring the frequencies by ourselves. Also, sound processing techniques were new to us. We needed to read many academic papers to understand sound processing techniques. Also, choosing different methods of extracting the features and implement them in our model. By reading and with the help of our supervisor, things are clearer for us now. In the future, we may face issues with classification in noisy environments. So, we decided to just focus for now in noisy-free environments.
Conjunction and risk mitigation plan. We might face the following risks during our project. First, not being able to build a mechanism part of the system, like the external body. The heart of our system is processing part. We will try to make this part complete and functionally. We will work hard to complete the system processing part as early as possible to have a time for other parts. A second risk is some waste items might be difficult to classify. For this, we will add an external bin for hard to classify and ambiguous items. The third risk, external noise may distribute the paper function of processing part. For now, we will focus on designing a system functionally in a noise-free environment. In a case we will have time, we will consider our noise calculation techniques.
Finally, our project is being developed in university premises, and university might be closing early because of coronavirus threat. We will work hard and try to complete the system processing part as early as possible, as it is the heart of our project. We will try to make this part complete and functional the earliest possible. Hi, and now we will explain the prototype and the components of our project. First, we will have a first layer. This is the first box. This is for placement object. The user will place object here. After that, we have the second box. This second box will be moved left and right. After that, this second box will open.